7, and today I'm gonna learn how to set up a brand new, not even yet out of the box, Brothers sewing machine. I've never sewed a day in my life and I'm a little nervous. The only thing I've ever done is put a thread through a needle, which I'm surprisingly good at. But now I want to try something else. I want to try something new and exciting and see where the road takes me. So come along with me and let's see how badly I can screw this up. Now, right out of the box, we have some parts. A plug. I'm guessing that's a pedal. Styrofoam. I'm guessing that's a cover. Reference guides. I'm gonna need this. Box. Oh yeah, the sewing machine. Sorry, dog. Now, right out the box, you can tell what it is. It's not that difficult. I'm pretty good at figuring stuff out, and I honestly hate reading the directions. It's a big downfall of mine, and sometimes can get me into trouble, but we're just gonna roll with it so far. Styrofoam inside. I don't know if I should take it out or not. I'm gonna leave it in. Now, this has a whole bunch of tape all over it. I'm guessing that's packing tape. I've never seen a sewing machine up close and personal. I've only ever seen them on DIY videos and on TV and anywhere but anywhere near me. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take all the tape off. Now, let's see what's in the box. Is it upside down? I can't tell. Yes, it is. Oh, this is the table. This is what an OCD person does. I even organized that box. Now I gotta go fix that. Those are so cute! Okay, that's cool. It's a secret pocket! Okay, that's really cool. Nifty. Caution for handling of protective tape. Oops. this is my parts list. I don't know what a zigzag foot J is, but apparently it's number 1. I don't know what that does. Oh, it's on the machine. Okay, so that is a zigzag foot J. I really hope that's like basic, new, blonde version. I need that. Knowing your sewing machine. Hi, I'm 7. Rude. And because I'm stubborn, let's just go down to the using your sewing machine part. Page 9. Insert the plug into a wall outlet. Forgot that part. Set the main power switch to I. To turn off the machine, set the main power switch to O. Oh, we're really getting down to these blunt terms. I need a minute. Okay, so this is take 2, day 2. The other day when I got everything opened up and looking good again, looking all set up really, I failed to realize that there are some other requirements that you need to actually get started sewing. I thought all you needed was the bobbins. I was wrong. You also need a spool of thread. So now I have a relatively good supply of thread. I went ahead and went to Walmart and got the Singer brand starter kit for threads and basic tools that one would need to get started in sewing. And fingers crossed, this is all I need to start. I know I'll need more later on. We gotta get started. So here I am, finally figured out how to thread the sewing machine, finally figured out how to thread a bobbin. Feeling a little bit silly because the other day I did give up, but it's really not that hard once you read the directions. Me being the type of person that does not want to read directions, that became really difficult for me because I wanted to be stubborn. But this is not a thing that you can just breeze right through. Unless you've got sewing experience, then by all means have at it. I was not one of those people that can just breeze through this. But now I've got some cheapo little fabric remnants from Hobby Lobby that I picked up last week, and I want to see just what the stitches do. And this one seems to be like a stretchy jersey fabric, and the videos that I've watched so far have told me to not pull on the fabric when I'm sifting it through, not just let the machine kind of do its thing. So this is going to be interesting to see how it goes with learning how to do this. If this jersey fabric tends to be too difficult for me to start out with, I have a whole bucket full of more remnants that I can mess with of all different types and patterns and styles. So let's get to it. beautiful. I forgot the back stitch. Well, that's it for today. As you saw, it took me a little bit longer than I thought it would to actually get started on this project. But so far, I've had a lot of fun. Setting up the machine was much harder than I expected, and I know you experienced folks will probably laugh at me, and that's okay, because I was laughing at myself once I really realized how simple it truly was to get it hooked up. We also got a chance to play with some stitches. I mean, some that worked out really, really well, that were really easy, even some decorative stitches, which I had no idea my machine could actually make until I really looked at it, and some stitches that didn't quite turn out like they were supposed to. I think that's an S. It looks more like a question mark if you get into it, but you know what? It's all in the learning process, and it's only day 2. So come back next time, see what we can put together and what I can break and what I can possibly mess up, and hopefully finish. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe.